Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where I share videos about sewing and vlogs. It's been a very long time I did an actual vlog here, so I have a trip to embark on which prompted this video. If you want to know more about this travel vlog and my hometown, stick around to find out. Let's go. So guys, before I started packing now, the first thing I did was to head over to the salon to change the look of my hair. As you can see, I gave it a little tint at the tip. And then the next day, I began my trip. At this point, even like I said on my phone, they feel like they make this video for Oppo. As you can see, that is me inside that black Jeep. No need to stress it. Let's just continue. I actually lost some clip I wanted to use for this, so hence I went online to search for a similar clip to fit into this vlog. It was really a long journey and my battery died down in the process. This is the city of Awka in Anambra State. It's actually a very busy and crowded place. Arriving to my place, it was almost dark, so I got home at night and I was welcomed by my mom and my dad and my siblings as well. Well, not all my siblings returned. It was just the few of us. This is my clingy sister Jennifer, who is always accepted whenever I'm around. So she decided to follow me out to get some things to cook and some foodstuffs as well. On our way to the market, I was actually thinking if I should get some fabric for making an outfit, though I later had a client that wanted to make a very nice outfit and I failed to capture the process. My bad. The reason is because everything was just overwhelming, from the filming to the cutting or drafting and actually the sewing process, including the house chores. Everything was just on me. They don't want to leave me alone. This is Oyenene, the front part of the market where I was actually heading to. This market functions once in every 4 days, so today is sit at home and it's Monday. Shops were closed and a lot of people did not come out, just a few of them. I quickly went behind the market to get something else. I later went back to get some fabric which I'll be using for my client's dress. So I was just admiring these beautiful Ankara fabrics here. After I was done getting all the stuffs I wanted to buy, I decided to head back home to continue the rest of my day, to make meals and put things in order. When I got home, I decided it's time to start an intro to my vlog. So this is me looking for the clips that best suits my vlog. So guys, we decided to head out to have a fun day at the popular White Castle hotels. This is how it looks like on the inside. The last time I came here was in 2019 and that was December period, festive season, when there are much people in this place. Unlike now, it's somehow scanty and people were not that much here. I believe it's going to become busy during the night when people are supposed to lodge and have fun. So I was just busy looking for a place for all of us to sit and relax. We finally picked a spot to sit and chill out. This particular spot was okay and the view was very nice. There is a tennis court and there is also a swimming pool somewhere behind it. So this is Emanuela, Jennifer and Sixtus the comedian. So he's just giving a proverb, an adage in Igbo language, talking about stuff. This is me admiring myself and shy at the same time. I didn't even take any picture here because I was very shy. After we were done hanging out, we went back home. I decided to edit some of the videos I have been keeping for some time. And this is how I edit my videos on InShot. This particular video was actually the previous video I shot about milkmaid dress. As you can see on the screen, I believe that you must have watched the video on how to draft and stitch it because they are already on my channel. So guys, this is what it looks like after I was done.
unfinishable, oyaku, impossible. Put the money, unfinishable, oyaku, impossible. One the money, unfinishable, oyaku, impossible. Put the money, unfinishable, oyaku, impossible. One the money, unfinishable, oyaku, impossible. Put the money, unfinishable.
After much is being done on the editing process about my videos, the last thing I always do is to save it so that I can be able to convert and save into my phone. And then one other thing I always do for my vlogs is to look for a music that suits my vlogs. Okay, in this case, I don't want to use the music on the InShot app. I discovered that Nollywood songs don't usually have copyright infringement, unlike other songs. So this is me looking for a song that suits this video. This same song you've been listening to all through this video. After I was done downloading the song, I made sure to check if it's in my library before I went ahead to open it up from the InShot to use in this video. So this is how I add up the music on my video, doing the necessary things I'm supposed to do to put it in place to make the video go smoothly. And with that being said, I've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.